So today I'm going to show you a couple hairstyles that are perfect for summer. You'll see a list of all the different items you'll need to be able to complete all these hairstyles. So we're getting right into the first hairstyle, and for this one you're going to start by gathering all your hair into a low ponytail. Now I grab a piece of hair from the ponytail to wrap it around the scrunchie, hide it, and dress it up. Now you could leave it like this and just have a nice slicked back ponytail, or you can continue to the next step to make it a braided ponytail. Moving on to the second hairstyle, for this one you're going to slick back all your hair into a higher ponytail. I like to add hairspray. This is a great medium hold hairspray by Redken. Stop here for a high slicked back ponytail, or continue to do this fishtail ponytail. I like to add a hairspray to the whole thing just to make sure there's no flyaways. Now if you want to change it up from the fishtail ponytail, you can grab your bobby pins and make this into a fishtail bun. For this next hairstyle, you're going to divide your hair into 3 different sections, and you're going to French braid each of those sections. For a more in-depth tutorial of how to do a French braid, please click the link below in my info. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. There will be a new video every Sunday at 10 a.m. get to give these hairstyles a try, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!